Hey, welcome to Rip Kings 2012 10 box Elite Extra, Panini Elite Extra group break. We're going to start off with a random. We have 8 random teams. We got 8 spots filled. We're going to get that started. We're going to go 3 times. We're going to start with the names. Actually, give me half a second. It's got to get one other document here ready to go before we do that. So half a second. Let me get my Excel document ready to copy and paste into. All right, here we go. So we're going to do the names 3 times. Then we're going to do the teams 3 times and match them up. There's 1, Jody on top, Ron on bottom. 2, Brian on top, Brian on bottom. 3, Justin on top, Jody on bottom. So let me grab those out of there, throw them into our Excel document. All right, we got those, and then let's grab the teams. Let's see, there they are. All right, so we got Braves, Angels, Indians, Marlins, Mets, Pirates, Blue Jays, Nationals are the 8 teams. We're going to randomize those 3 times. There's 1, Nationals on top, Pirates on bottom. 2, Pirates on top, Braves on bottom. 3, Nationals on top, Indians on bottom. So we match those up. I'll show you guys your teams. We're going to start breaking. I'll do a quick roll call, and then we're going to break. All right, here we go. We got Justin T. with Nationals, Ron with the Marlins, Jared S. with the Braves, Brian N. with the Mets, Angels, Pirates, Jared S. with the Blue Jays, and Jody O. with the Indians. I'm going to do a quick roll call of the rest of the teams, and then we're going to start breaking. So the rest of the teams, we got Charles with the Yankees, Jeanette with the Rangers and Diamondbacks, Jared with the Astros, Carrie with the Phillies, Kurt with the Brewers, Lance with the Tigers, Lenny with the Rockies and Cardinals, Lisa S. with the Giants, Mark with the Cubs, Matt N. with USA, Matt S. with Oakland and Minnesota, Robert A. with the Royals, Ryan E. with the Mariners, Ryan M. with the White Sox, Ryan A. with the Royals, Ryan E. with the Mariners, Ryan M. with the White Sox, Stacy C. with the Orioles, Wesley, the Red Sox, Justin T. with the Rays, Justin W. with the Padres, Justin T. with the Dodgers, and Michael W. with the Reds. All right, guys, let me save that real fast. We are ready to rip. Again, as I mentioned this before, our store is still open and shows those teams available, guys, but they are gone. Okay? They are gone. So do not go in the store and try to buy them after we got started, because they will not be available. And I will have to refund you. So please don't do that. All right, here we go. Let's get started. Also, guys, if there are some of you who do not want your base cards, please let me know. Most of the base cards and stuff are totally worthless. So if you don't want them, it'd be much appreciated if you'd let us know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open about 10 packs at a time, guys, and put them face down, and then we'll roll through 10 packs at a time. If not, we're going to be here all night. Justin, give me half a second. I'll tell you who your random team was. Yeah, give me 1 second, guys. I'll roll through the random teams again if you give me just a second. All right, for the random teams. Justin T. had the Nationals. Ron had the Marlins. Jared S. with the Braves. Brian N. with the Mets. Brian N. with the Angels. Brian N. with the Pirates. Jared S. with the Blue Jays. Jody O. with the Indians. Everybody got that? We all good? Everybody get all that? Okay. All right, here we go. Wow, his first card is absolutely demolished for some reason. Don't know why. Base. Dummy card. Wow, right off the bat. Red ink auto at 25 for the Red Sox. Red Sox, red ink auto, 25 out of 25, Ty Buttrey. I'd say that's a nice start. Base, blue status. Non-auto, Michael Early for Chicago. Pretty sure that's White Sox. 100. Base. Insert. Guys, I meant to tell you this before we started. On these dual inserts like this, that have 2 and 3 players, we're going to get a stack of probably 60 of them. We're going to take those and we're just going to divide those up evenly among everybody since there's so many of them, and we're not going to random them all off. And most of them are dual teams. Base. We got another hit. Carlos Escobar at 752. Pretty sure he is a Cub. Almost positive he is a Cub. He is Chicago. I'll double check all those that say Chicago or New York. Aspirations, non-auto, Matt Price for the Red Sox out of 200. We have a USA auto coming. Isaac Gutierrez, 15 or under, which means it's numbered at a 125. Isaac Gutierrez at a 125 for USA. Another auto. I think this is a hot box, guys. Jake Lamb for the Diamondbacks at a 596. There's a very good chance this is a hot box because we got a bunch already. And there's another Red Sox hit. Stay hot, Red Sox. Pat Light out of 50. 49 out of 50. The Red Sox, Pat Light auto. We have a redemption. Could be a Correa. Omar Luis Rodriguez, franchise futures signatures. I will have to double check. He is on New York. I think he's a Yankee. I'm not positive. So all these ones that say New York or Chicago, I'll have to double check, guys. I'm pretty sure that's a Yankee. Building block insert and base. Pretty nice to, I think, say it's a 90% chance we're on a hot box right now, unless the second half is just a total dud, which is possible. But I'd say that's a pretty good start. Again, I really, really want to see a black status. I've pulled a bunch of golds and oranges out of this stuff already, but I really want to see a black status. Yankees? Yeah, I thought he was on the Yankees. I thought I had looked that up previously because I think I personally pulled one of his. Yeah, the oranges are cool. All right, here we go. Base. Aspirations auto coming. Mitch Ney for the Blue Jays out of 100. On-card auto. Nice hit. Kyle Zimmer insert. Elite Series. Diamond Kings. David Dahl for the Rockies. Ronnie Freeman, Diamondbacks, die cut. Out of 100. Another auto. Luke Mail for the Rays. On card out of 690. Our USA team is going to be, our USA buddy Matt is going to be happy because I see another, there's Nick Williams out of 200 for the Rangers. I see another USA auto coming. And they're both the base non-relic version. Ryan Olson, 18 and under, out of 299? 299. Lots of hits, guys. I love these hot boxes. They sure make it fun. Another auto coming. Lewis Brinson for the Rangers. On card, 789. Insert. Another auto. Zach Jones for the Twins out of 100. Out of 100. Addison Russell, insert. Another auto. Chase DeJong for the Blue Jays. $7.99 on card. God, I love these hot boxes. Sure make for a lot of hits. And Joey Gallo. Box 1. Ton of action in box 1. Ton of action in box 1. One auto out of 25. I think we got one out of 50, and I think we got two out of 100, if I'm not mistaken. Two USA autos. The USA slot is starting out hot. The stuff I love about this Elite is there's so many low-numbered autos in it that any team has a chance at a big hit. I have no idea who the best guys out of those USA autos are. I don't have a clue. I have like 17 USA autos up for sale, and I could not tell you if any of them are any good or not. I haven't made one attempt to try to look. I just listed them. I'm sure there are some guys in there that are pretty good. All right, box 2. Here we go. We got a base. Diamond Kings. Stephen Romero for the Mariners. Blue status. Auto. Anthony Tolles for the Rays out of 50. Out of 50 for the Rays. Yearbook. Albert Almora insert. Elite Series. Lance McCullers for the Astros. Aspirations out of 200 for the Twins. Zach Jones. Woo, we got another one. Here we go. Marlins, Matt Jungle. And that's 25 out of 25 again. Red ink. Our other red ink was also 25 out of 25 for the Marlins. Nice pickup. I think that was that in the randomizer? Another auto. Tyler Wagner for the Brewers. 481. How many autos is that already? 1, 2, no, not as many as I thought. I thought we were already hotboxing our way. Blue, Aspirations, or Blue Status, Cincinnati Reds, Tanner Rahier, out of 100. We got another auto coming, and another Red Aspirations auto out of 100 for the Tigers, Austin Schatz. I love how many of the die-cut insert autos there are in this stuff. Looks like we finally had a total dud pack there. Insert. We got, oh, hot boxes are a little bit slower. Or non-hot boxes a little bit slower, excuse me. Boy, that pack didn't want to open. So guys, who's coming to the National? Who's coming out to Chicago? Anybody here in the room coming to Chicago for the National? Bummer. It's gonna be a blast. Can't wait. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. It is absolutely a lot of fun, no doubt about it. I think I saw we got another USA auto coming. Blue, status, auto, Zach Quintana, Brewers, 01 out of 50. Stay hot with the good numbering on these cards. Love it. Three quote eBay 1 of 1s if you want to call them that, but the 01 out of 50s are always nice. Whether you want to call them an eBay 1 of 1 or not, they sell well. Yearbook, Carlos Correa for the Astros. Aspirations again, Nick Williams for the Rangers. Second 1 out of 200. Later, Marty. We slowed down here. Another out of 25. Andrew Heaney, red ink. Marlins. Marlins, get hot. Ron got 2 out of 25 already out of the randomizer in 2 boxes. Stay hot. Oh, we got a nice, oh, that's a good one. I'd say that's a good one for the Reds. Didi Gregorius. Out of 621, he's the guy that was traded to the D-backs, right? Probably going to be starting for the D-backs. I don't know if he has any other autos out there. Oh, I thought I saw a USA auto in here. I guess I was wrong. If he has other autos, I'm not aware of them. I'd say that that's probably a pretty good hit. Oh, he does have other autos? Still not a bad hit. His Back to the Futures are fairly tough. They're only a couple per case. Yeah, I didn't know he even had any autos. I don't remember ever seeing any of them. Was he in Elite? Yeah, he was a redemption. Got it. Either lots of dummies or some USAs in there. There's all day. I saw your message. Shoot me your guys' names. I want to get them. I want to get it confirmed in the main room too. All right, base, dummy, auto. Adrian Sampson. He's one of the lowest numbered base autos in here, out of 180 for the Pirates. I need to confirm from the other party, my friend. Base. Oh, we got a redemption. Here's our shot at trying to hit a Correa. Correa's a redemption. Elite Exhibition. Blue status, die cuts, prospects, signatures. This is a Correa. This is a monster. Card number 119, Kevin Plawecki for the Mets. I tried. All right, guys, let me write this, get this trade down. So is that right, Cubs for Angels? Last card was for the Mets. No, it's Indians for Angels. Guys. Last card is for the Mets. Are you guys doing Indians for Angels? If you are, please post it in the room now, because I need to keep going on this break. All right, I'm continuing on, guys. Last card is for the Mets. Here we go. Base. Blue. Aspirations Auto out of 50. Jamie Jarmon. Bears all day. Confirm that if that's the trade. That's not what you wrote me in the other room, in my PM. For the Rays, on-card auto, 722. Richie Schaefer. Nice hit for the Rays. Aspirations, Jamie Callahan at 200 for the Red Sox. Bears all day. I don't see a confirmation from you, so until I do, I'm going to keep busting. Adrian Marin at 685 for the Orioles. On card. Blue is for the Texas Rangers. Steven Romero for the Mariners. For the Rays again, out of 100, Damian Carroll. No problem. I could tell there was a little drop-off in communication there. Just wanted to make sure we had it right. Another auto for the Phillies, Dylan Cousins. That's a nice low-numbered auto, 199 on the base. Are we in the middle of another hot box, guys? Seems like a ton of autos already. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 autos already. So I'm thinking we're already on hot box number 2 in box number 3. I'd say that's pretty dang good. All right. Here we go. Let's keep this going. We've got a ton of low-numbered stuff already, guys. Time to see some big names. Let's see some Correa, Buxton, Zunino, Saul, Gallo, etc. Giolito. I want to see a black status. Oh, I forgot. Addison Russell. How about that guy? Almora. Let's get some more of those coming. All right, guys. Here we go. I wish those yearbooks had autos. I don't think they do. USA Auto. Carson Sands. $2.99. Yeah, I'm sure we're going to see some golds and orange. We got a green coming. We got a green coming. Is it an auto? Is it an auto? For the Cubs, Paul Blackburn, 09 out of 25 for the Cubs. Nice hit for the Cubs. 25 on card. Damian Carroll again for the Rays. Rays are cleaning up at 649. Kevin Gossman insert. Rays have a ton of hits already. Blue status, Brandon Brennan for Chicago. I do not know which team he is on. I don't know what team he's on, guys, so I'll have to figure that out before we ship out. I'm guessing he's on the White Sox since I don't know who he is. And another Cubs hit. Trey Lang at a 451. Trey Lang for the Cubs, 451. Cubs all of a sudden got hot. And boom. Another hit from Miami. Avery Romero out of 100. Miami has absolutely killed that random. Killed it. 3 low-numbered autos for Miami out of a random spot. Congrats. Corey Black for New York. Another one I do not know what team that is on. He is on New York. Fourth rounder. I don't know what team he's on, guys. We got another green coming. Auto. Alex Morin for the Twins. 18 out of 25. Alex Morin, 18 out of 25. So that was a pretty good box. All right, guys, let me save that.